BMW G Chassis Wiper Fix Explained. Simple fuse trick after BDC2 removal. Hi everyone, this is Hussein, and I welcome you to Baabji Motors, the place where real-world automobile diagnostics meets simple, clear explanations that anyone can understand. Today, we are diving into an issue that many BMW G Chassis owners and technicians face, especially when working with key programming or replacing control modules. And before we begin, here is a short but necessary copyright disclaimer. Everything you are about to hear is purely for educational and informational purposes. All brand names and tools mentioned belong to their respective owners. We follow fair use guidelines and recommend that you always follow local laws and official manufacturer instructions when working on vehicles. Now, let me ask you something interesting. Did you ever imagine that removing a single module in a modern BMW could cause the wipers to suddenly come alive like they have decided to wash the entire neighborhood? If not, then stay with me till the end, because today we are uncovering exactly why that happens and the correct fix for it. And trust me, the solution is surprisingly simple, but only if you know where to look. Let's begin with the core of the issue. In BMW G Chassis vehicles, the BDC2 module, also known as the Body Domain Controller 2, is a key component responsible for managing many different electrical systems in the car. When this module is removed, usually for key programming or replacement using tools like the Yanhua ACDP2 or the Xhorse Key Tool Plus, something unusual happens. The wipers suddenly activate on their own. Not only do they start wiping nonstop, but in some cases the headlights also turn on, almost like the car is trying to communicate with you in Morse code. It feels dramatic, but technically there's a reason for it. You see, when the BDC2 module is removed, the car loses proper communication with certain body functions. Without that communication, the system goes into a protective fallback mode. And in that mode, the wipers may start running automatically because the system assumes the signal is missing or corrupted. The problem is that if the wipers keep running continuously while the car is stationary, the motor can overheat, drain the battery, or even get damaged. So this is not something you can ignore, even during a short programming session. Here comes the important part. To prevent this from happening, the recommended solution is to remove the specific fuse responsible for powering the wiper motor. Yes, that is right. A single fuse can save the day. It may sound almost too simple, but in modern automotive diagnostics, some of the simplest solutions are the most effective. The important step is to correctly identify the fuse. Every BMW model may have a slightly different fuse layout, so you should check the owner's manual or refer to the official fuse diagram for your exact G chassis model. The fuse box is located directly on the BDC2 unit, so accessing it is relatively easy once the module is already removed. Carefully pull out the correct fuse, and the wipers will stop immediately. This is extremely important because it ensures that no battery power is wasted, no wiper motors are strained, and no unexpected electrical behavior continues during your programming or repair process. And just in case you need a bit of humor to brighten up the process, here you go. Think of it like giving the wipers a short vacation while you handle the rest of the work. They have been wiping all day anyway, so removing the fuse is basically giving them a well-deserved break. Once you have completed the key programming or BDC2 replacement procedures and everything is set up correctly, simply reinstall the fuse back into its original slot. This restores normal wiper control. The system should now respond to the new or programmed BDC2 module, and all functions should work exactly as intended. However, if the wipers continue acting strange even after reinstalling the fuse and completing the installation, that is a sign you should not ignore. It could mean there is a wiring issue, a loose connector, or a miscommunication between the wiper control module and the vehicle's network. In some cases, the system may require recalibration or a full software reprogramming using a professional diagnostic tool. BMW systems are extremely sensitive to communication inconsistencies, so even a tiny fault can lead to unexpected behavior. When that happens, the best step is to let an experienced technician diagnose the deeper electrical issue. Now that we have gone through the entire process, let us wrap it up with something valuable. So, the answer to the question I asked in the beginning is simple. Yes, a single missing module can make the wipers go wild. And yes, the fix really can be as easy as removing a single fuse. Personally, I find it fascinating how modern cars rely so heavily on these interconnected control units. One module goes offline, and the entire system starts acting like it is confused. It shows just how advanced, yet sensitive, modern automotive electronics have become. I would love to know your thoughts. Have you ever faced something similar in BMWs or other modern vehicles? Share your experience in the comments. Also, here is a unique fun fact before we end. Did you know that the BMW G Chassis platform uses more interconnected control units than many small airplanes? That is how advanced these systems are. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to support Baabji Motors, I invite you to like this video with a target of 10,000 likes. Leave at least 1,000 comments. Hype this video so it reaches more technicians, and subscribe for more powerful diagnostic content. Your support helps this channel grow and allows me to keep sharing valuable knowledge. Thank you for staying till the end. Keep learning, keep diagnosing, and always stay curious.